Let's see how to change defaults in Blender. First, make the new defaults. After you finished, go to File, Defaults, Save Startup File. Next time you open the Blender, new defaults going to be loaded. Thanks for watching.